Stand by. The President of the United States will be speaking on all stations shortly.
The following message has been given authorization at the request of myself, the United States President. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. This is a global emergency. At 11:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the National Weather Service has reported snowfall in all 50 states in the United States, including the rest of the world. It was also confirmed that an unusual phenomenon has occurred within the United States and the rest of the planet. It has been confirmed that snowflakes that are about 1.5 times the size of original snowflakes were falling down from the sky and were instantly freezing every human and building that it lands on. In addition to the situation, there has been even more disturbing reports of people freezing up instantly once the snowflake lands on the human, and then a minute later, their whole entire body freezes into whole entire blocks of ice and starts to explode. And then another minute later, their entire body is lost, and they start transforming into glowing blue anthropomorphic Arctic fox-like creatures. It has also been reported by the Federal Emergency Management Agency that these fox creatures have the ability to freeze a human once they come into contact with them, and then reanimate into another anthropomorphic fox creature themselves. These creatures have already spread through the entire United States along with the rest of the planet at a very fast rate. This is an attack warning. Repeating, this is an attack warning. An attack warning means that action should be taken immediately to protect your life. All residents right now are advised to stay indoors. Do not go outside for any reason at all, as it is too cold to go outside, and you will most likely face death from these anthropomorphic Arctic fox creatures. Remember, we are the United States of America. We will not fall to these snowflakes nor the creatures. We will rise back from the dead, and we will come back stronger than ever, and we will prove to these creatures that we are the strongest country to ever exist in world history. This is not the end of the world. We promise we will do our best to take down every one of these creatures and to shoot down every one of these snowflakes. Thank you for listening, and may God bless the United States of America, God bless the world, and hopefully our Christmas will turn back to normal once this situation is all over. This will now conclude my message.
All clear. Repeating, all clear. The anthropomorphic Arctic fox creatures along with the very large snowflakes have suddenly vanished into thin air without a trace. It is now safe to exit your shelters at this time. However, major damage has been caused throughout the country and the rest of the planet due to buildings and structures being frozen up. It will take a bit of time before everything that was damaged to be rebuilt. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this Christmas disaster.